Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Bluetooth problem if your Bluetooth is not working or connecting to your speaker or anything. How you can fix these problem in your OnePlus device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to swipe down, go to settings, and here it is the additional setting. Swipe down, go to backup and reset, click on reset phone. Here it is reset network settings. It will reset your Bluetooth by first you have to verify your password, enter your password, and here it is resetting your Bluetooth. Now your Bluetooth will be working fine, and if it is not, then you have to restart by clicking on the power button. It will be working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.